Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we'll show you 3 logical operators that can be used to analyze and compare values. The AND function is used to determine whether all the conditions being tested are true. For example, to check whether both GDP is greater than 3,000 and whether the total population is less than 3.3 million, write equal and write out the first test, then the second. Press enter or return, and the receiving output true means both conditions are true. The OR function is used to determine whether at least one condition is true. Let's say you want to check if the total population in Albania was less than 800,000 after 1900. The input would equal, or the first test, which is population less than 800,000, then the second test, which is corresponding year less than 1900. Notice the output is true because the population is less than 800,000, but not after the year 1900. The NOT function is used to check whether values are not equal to another. To check whether the population between 1990 and 1995 is not equal to the average between 1995 and 2000, type equal, not, the first average test, the equal sign, then the second average test. The output true means the two averages are not equal. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.